Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we discuss about how to check the income tax computation report. Okay, so go to the gateway of Tally, select display more report, select payroll reports, select statutory reports. So here select income tax and select computation. So select one by one. So Girish TK is not a IT payer. Go to Naveen SC. So this is the income tax computation report. See here. So total gross salary 9,13,200 including this NPS 52,800, 6,60,400 plus 52,800, the total 9,13,200. This is the gross salary. Okay. So come to the less allowances to the extent exempted under section 10. So house rent allowances. So total annual exemption is 57,200. Press it. Per month 5,200. So how to calculate this? Note down the reference notes. HRA tax exemption for the salaried individuals. The Income Tax Act section 10 and 13A provides for HRA exemption of tax. The deduction will be lowest amongst actual rent received for 40% of salary, that is basic plus DA. If employee lives in non-metro, or 50% of salary if employees lives in metro cities. So third one, the actual rent that is paid by the employee for the residents each month minus 10% of salary. So check it. So HRA exemption for the salaried individuals, that is Naveen exemption. Actual HRA received 10,000. Is received 10,000. It is showing in pay sheet HRA. If you want, go and check the pay slip report for this information, this 10,000 information. So 40% of salary, basic plus DA. So 48,000. Now means basic plus DA is total 48,000. 40% means that is 19,200. Excess of rent paid. So declaration, in declaration is shown 10,000 rupees per month what he paid. Minus 10% of salary basic plus DA, the total is 48,000. So 48 into 10 divided by 100, that means 4,800. So 10,000 minus 4,800, that is 5,200. So his allowances is, house rent allowances is 5,200 exempted each month. So calculate for 11 month, because I entered from May month, that's why you have to take 11 months only. Suppose I entered 1st April, 12 months. So 5,200 into 11. 5,200 into 11, the total should 57,200. Check it in the report. 57,200. 57,200. So Naveen's house rent allowances. And other one, Travel assistance, that is exemption 20,000 we are already entered in income tax declaration. Standard deduction. Friends, this one earlier it was 40,000, so nowadays it is 50,000. So professional tax 2,200. So 200 rupees per month, 200 into 11, 2,200. This is total investment under section under section 80C, 80CCF, 80CCG, etc. So total 1,16,500. So these are the exemptions. PF 16,500, insurance premium 25,000, National Saving Scheme certificate 50,000, and Sukanya Samruddhi account scheme 25,000, total 1,16,500. So other investment. In other investment, mediclaim insurance 10,000, person with disability 75,000, and contribution to political parties, that is 10,000, 1,10,000. So this is the deduction. So net total income tax 24,999. So next, Prashant SC. His house rent allowances exemption amount is 74,800. So actual rent received 15,000. 40% of salary 72,000 into 40 divided by 100, 28,800. Excess of rent paid 14,000. So every month he paid 14,000. He is declared in income tax declaration report. So minus 10% of salary, that is 72,000 into 10 divided by 100, that is 7,200. So 14,000 minus 7,200, that is 6,800. So per month is a HRA exemption amount is 6,800. So 6,800 into 11 month, that is 74,800. 74,800. So LTA exemption 20,000, standard deduction 50,000, professional tax 2,200, investment 1,50,000, other investment 2,25,000. So total income chargeable. This is the net taxable income. So after calculating income tax 99,310. So like that you have to check. Rakesh SR. Rakesh SR. His house rent allowance exemption is 83,600. See, actual HRA received 17,500. 40% of salary 84,000 into 40 divided by 100, that should come 33,600. Excess of rent paid 16,000 minus 10% of salary 8,400. 16,000 minus 8,400, that is 7,600. 7,600 into 11, the total is 83,600. 83,600. So LTA 20,000. Standard deduction 50,000. Professional tax 2,200 for 11 months. So this is investment and other investment. So total chargeable income, that is taxable income, is 12,18,000 500. Okay friends, so like that you have to check the house rent allowances and calculate the exemption of house rent allowances. So I have given notes for calculation of house rent allowances exemption. Okay, so next we move to income tax slab rate. Income tax slab rate. See, this is Naveen. Go to Naveen. So, is chargeable income tax is, chargeable taxable income is so total amount is 5,57,300. So 5,57,300 up to 2,50,000 nil, 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, that is 5%. So 2,50,000 into 5 divided by 100, that is 12,500. So these two total how much? 5 lakh. That's why he will take only 2,50,000. So 12,500. So remaining balance 5,57,300 minus 5 lakh. The balance is 57,300. That is 20%. So above 5 lakh, the tax rate is 20%. 57,300 into 20, that is 11,460. So total income is, total income tax is 23,960. So health and education cess, that is 4% on total income tax. So 23,960 into 4%, that is 958.40. That is the health and education cess. So total tax including health and education cess 24,918.40. Check it in the report. So 24,919. So he will round up. That's why he is showing 919. But here I am taking 918.40. So next, Purnima HR. Go to Purnima HR. So check the chargeable income, taxable income. 7,82,700. 7,82,700 up to 5 lakh nil, 2 lakh 50 to 5 lakh. The difference is 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into 5, 12,500. So 7,82,700 minus 5 lakh, remaining balance is 2,82,700. Percentage is 20%. Total tax is 56,540. So grand total tax 69,040. 69,040 into 4%. Health and education cess, that is 2,761.60. Total tax 71,801.60. 71,801. So he made a round up 71,802. No issues. So next you move to Prashant. So Prashant. So chargeable income tax 9,14,950. 9,14,950. Up to 2,50,000 nil. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, the difference is 2,50,000, that is 5%, 12,500. So 5 lakh to 7,50,000. Above 5 lakh, 20%. So 9,14,950 minus 5 lakh, 4,14,950 remaining balance. So 4,14,950 into 20, 82,990. The total income tax is 95,490. Health and education says 4%, that is 3,819.60. So total tax is 99,309 plus 309.60. I think he made round up 99,310. So our calculation is right. So next one, Rakesh Yessa. So is chargeable income chargeable to tax 12,000, 18,900. So check it in the report. 12,18,900. Up to 2,50,000 nil, 2,50,000 to 5,00,000. The difference is 2,50,000, 5%. 12,500. So 5,00,000 to 10. That is 5,00,000, 20%, 1,00,000. So 12,00,000 minus 10,00,000, remaining balance is 2,18,900. That is 30%. So above 10,00,000, income tax slab rate is 30%. So 2,18,900 into 30, 65,670. So total tax is 1,78,170. Add 4%, health and education says, that is 71,262.80 paise. So total tax is 1,85,296.80. I think he made 297. 1,85,297. Yes, 1,85,297. So next, Shivlingegowda N. So his total income chargeable to tax 13,60,100. Check it in report. 13,60,100 up to 2,50,000 nil, 2,50,000 to 5,00,000. The difference is 2,50,000, 5%, 12,500. So 5,00,000 to 10, 5,00,000 difference is 5,00,000. So 20%, 1,00,000. So above 10,00,000. So 13,60,100 minus 10,00,000, remaining balance is 3,60,100 into 30%, that is 1,08,030 rupees. So total income tax is 2,20,530. So 2,20,530. Add 4%, health and education says, that is 8,821.20. So total tax is 2,29,351.20 paise. So 2,29,352. But he made round figure. So last, Suresh SP. Select Suresh SP. So check chargeable income tax income. That is 16,74,900. 16,74,900 up to 2,50,000 nil. 2,50,000 to 5,00,000 difference is 5,00,000, 12,500. 10,00,000 minus 5,00,000, 5,00,000, that is 20. 1,00,000 is the tax. So 16,74,900 minus 10,00,000, the difference is 6,74,900, that is 30%. 2,02,470. Total income tax is 3,14,970. Add 4%, health and education cess, that is 12,598.80. So total income tax is 3,27,568. I think he made 569. Yes, 3,27,569. 3,27,568.80. He round up 20 paise. So total income tax is 3,27,569. Okay friends, so like this you have to check the computation of income tax report. Okay friends, in my next video we will discuss about individual pay slip, pay sheet, gratuity, NPS report, PF report, ESI reports. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.